1. Which planet is made up of thick white and yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid? A. Mars. B. Uranus. C. Neptune. D. Venus. Answer: D. Venus. 2. On which date did Indian National Congress pass the resolution of Purna Swaraj at the Lahore session? A. 19 दिसंबर 1929. B. 26 दिसंबर 1929. C. 15 दिसंबर 1929. D. 21 दिसंबर 1929. Answer: A. 19 दिसंबर 1929. 3. The headquarters of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is in A. Delhi. B. Bangalore. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. Answer: B. Bangalore. 4. Which one is not correctly matched in the list of folk dances and state given below? A. Bihu Andhra Pradesh. B. Bhagra Punjab. C. Dandiya Gujarat. D. Nautanki Uttar Pradesh. Answer: A. Bihu Andhra Pradesh. 5. Which of the following temples has Panchayatana style of architecture? A. Sun Temple. B. Kashi Vishwanath Temple. C. Brihadiswara Temple. D. Dashvatara Temple. Answer: D. Dashvatara Temple. 6. In which language were the Mughal court chronicles written? A. Sanskrit. B. Hindi. C. Persian. D. Urdu. Answer: C. Persian. 7. Who wrote the book Citizen Delhi, My Life, My Times? A. Arvind Kejriwal. B. Arun Jaitley. C. Harshvardhan. D. Sheila Dikshit. Answer: D. Sheila Dikshit. 8. Who designed the first analog computer in India? A. Samrendra Kumar Mitra. B. Dev Kumar Bose. C. Subodh Chandra Das Gupta. D. Bimal Kumar Bhattacharya. Answer: A. Samrendra Kumar Mitra. 9. Mansarovar Lake is situated in A. Bhutan. B. Tibet. C. Nepal. D. India. Answer: B. Tibet. 10. Which Indian mountain looks like a giant pyramid and has a flat summit area and two peaks? A. Mamostang Kangari. B. Saltoro Kongari. C. Kamet. D. Nanda Devi. Answer: C. Kamet. 11. Millions of years ago the Indian subcontinent was separated from the mainland by a large sea known as the A. Tethys. B. Aegina. C. Prometheus. D. Typhon. Answer A. Teddies. 12. Who among the following is not an Indian weightlifter? A. Deepika Pallikal. B. Karnam Malleshwari. C. Rakhi Haldar. D. Mirabai Chanu. Answer A. Deepika Pallikal. 13. The patriotic song Sare Jahan Se Acha was composed by A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. C. Bismil Azim Abadi. D. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Answer B. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. 14. Which of the following best defines net national income? A. NDP minus depreciation. B. GNP plus depreciation. C. GDP minus depreciation. D. GNP minus depreciation. Answer D. GNP minus depreciation. 15. Which of the following statements is not true about compounds? A. The composition of each new substance is always fixed. B. The constituents can be separated only by chemical or electrochemical reactions. C. Elements react to form new compounds. D. Compounds have a variable composition. Answer D. Compounds have a variable composition. 16. Which of the following blood groups is called the universal receiver? A. A plus. B. O plus. C. A plus. D. O. Answer A. AB plus. 17. Mohiniyattam is a traditional dance which originated in the state of in India. A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Kerala. C. Assam. D. West Bengal. Answer B. Kerala. 18. In which of the following years did Mahatma Gandhi launch Champaran Satyagraha? A. 1917. B. 1914. C. 1927. D. 1922. Answer A. 1917. 19. Which of the following is not a good conductor of electricity? A. Silver. B. Copper. C. Bromine. D. Graphite. Answer C. Bromine. 20. The Sara Lake is a backwater lagoon of which of the following rivers? A. Sileru. B. Baitarani. C. Bhargvi. D. Salandi. Answer C. Bhargvi.